If you have ever wondered about waxing and how it can transform your skin, let's dive into the world of waxing, exploring its various types, qualities, and the remarkable feeling it leaves behind. Waxing is a popular hair removal method that involves applying a sticky substance, typically soft or hard wax, sometimes with natural or nourishing ingredients, to the skin, allowing it to grist the hairs and then removing it quickly to pull hair out from the root. There are several types of waxing designed to suit different needs and sensitivities. Soft wax or strip wax is commonly used on larger areas like legs, arms, and the back. It's spread in a thin layer and stripped away with cloth or paper, lifting even fine hairs for a smooth finishing, although it can be a bit intensive or sensitive skin. Hard wax is favored for more delicate areas such as the face, underarms, and bikini line. Instead of using a strip, hard wax is applied thicker, and once it cools and hardens, it's lifted directly off the skin. This method is much gentler, suitable for coarse hair, and minimizes irritation. Sugar waxing or sugaring is a natural technique that uses a paste made from sugar, lemon juice, and water. It's applied against the hair growth and pulled in the direction of growth, which reduces pain and the risk of ingrown hairs, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin and for anyone seeking an eco-friendly, hypoallergenic option. Other specialized waxes include chocolate wax, known for its moisturizing cocoa and gentle action, fruit wax, and enriched with extracts that nourish and exfoliate as they remove hair, and pre-made strips or roll-on waxes which offer convenient mess-free hair removal at home or while traveling. After waxing, the skin often feels incredibly smooth and soft because hair is pulled out from the root, leaving no suitable and offering results that can last up to 6 weeks. Many people report an initial sensation of warmth or mild discomfort during removal, which quickly fades and is replaced by a lasting sense of cleanliness and freshness. The best part about waxing is reduction in hair remove over time. Repeated waxing weakens hair follicles, so new hair emerges finer and sparser. Good aftercare like avoiding heat, exfoliating gently, and hydrating with smoothing lotions enhances the comfort and prolongs the silky smooth feel. Ultimately, waxing is more than just a beauty ritual.